Hey guys, Christian Chatterfest is here bringing guys some new video. One of you guys actually asked me about what is my armory, what armor do I have, and it's actually really common. I think almost all Demology Warlocks have this, but okay. Most of my set is coming from the Primal Combatants Farewell. And the fact why I've chosen it is I am a PvP person, mostly PvP at least at this character. But yeah, its effect is also really good. When either my pet or me is below 20% of our health, I gain 1300 versatility extra. And versatility, as many of you guys know, it gains me increasing damage or damage and healing, and it's very good for me to either survive or just make huge amount of damage in my burst for my last stand. Then it has also another ability. When my corruption or doom effect are displayed by a paladin or someone or cleanse it, I just gain 100 demonic fury. Oh yeah, that's good. Finally. It's the same if I'm up against a priest or paladin. Corruption, they will cleanse it just and fight. Now it will just make me stronger. Corruption. Oh, you cleanse it. I just got another 100 demonic fury. Thank you very much. I can just do it again. Or with my cataclysm. Boom, dooms everything. Oh, you drink it. I just got 100 demonic fury. Thank you very much. But yeah, it's those two are pretty good effects, and I really like them. Now, for my trinkets. The first one is obviously I have a trinket for getting away from moving the parallel effects to when I'm bursting, maybe fighting against a warrior or someone that will fear me or stun me. I really need to either get out of there or bursting again, so it's very good to have a trinket. The other one, it grants me 1120 versatility for 15 seconds, and it's 1 minute and 30 seconds cooldown. Okay. It's very good when I'm bursting. Mostly I use it when I'm bursting, but it's also really good when I'm healing myself, but mostly when I'm bursting. Speaking of healings, in my glyphs, I don't think I use any more Glyph of Hellstone. I just think the healing is just fine, I guess. 40% of your health is good, I guess, especially with Dark Regeneration, but 10 seconds is a long time with that healing. And so I tried Glyph of Shadow Flame, and it's very good. If I'm it reducing my opponent's move speed by 50%. And here is a fun thing. It's very good against a warrior, even though they can always charge, or leap, then charge again. But finally I can counter them. If they can't charge or leap, then Double Hand of Gul'dan, if I'm using it two times, they can't move 100%. And for a warrior, that is the same as a stun. So 6 seconds. So they are kind of stunned for 6 seconds. Oh, and I also have, of course, Motor Coil that can take him to horror for 3 seconds. I have a stun. Another stun, thanks to Grimoire Service. It's very good to counter a warrior, and I think I really like it. Now, to my transmog, because I actually I should look like this, but as you guys can see, I just I don't like it. It's just really bad. So I gone to the auction house and I buy it. Where is it? There we go. I buy the crafted Malevolent Gladiator, and then I could look a little bit more badass. I thinking I look much more badass than before. So yeah, and the Daggett, well, I think I got it from a quest maybe. Daggett of the Signatures, either that or something, I don't know. You can maybe buy it in the auction house. Anyways, that's about it of my video. Also, there's another thing. I won't make any videos for quite some time, since I need to get ready for Christmas and also the new year. So I won't make some videos for a long time. But yeah, thanks really much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. I again really need your guys' help, and even though I won't make a video for quite some time, please still tell me what you guys want to see. Some arenas, battlegrounds, dungeons, heroics, raids. Please tell me. Maybe a dueling guide? Nah, I don't really know. Maybe a dueling guide. But please tell me, and there is a big chance I'll maybe make a video about it. Anyways, see you guys next time. See ya!